je say Ghana be abefa bia no media no so edi abeti a jumbo hey a jumbo ha jumbo Professor Gyampo or trendy when it comes to the lithium lease agreement now any is for side called Parliament don't better Parliament edu tumono Gyampo abekan simbi I'm a media for no Ghana for that body minimum media no so but man chire no akire wadwen ama me comment section how you Penyah block media me so say any demo obe like his video no that about subscribe button snap click notification icon latest updates na be chire wadwen de ama me comment section so baso no share for so anya bi ahwe. And you know, in 2018, Ghana had no any discover lithium at Mankesim in Central Region. You discover, you know, when you say you also you true lithium. Why is Ghana had no? You should near any mining equipment beer ya can see between the mining lithium. You live your Ghana. It's not home here send you. You better suffer ho aman ababitu lithium no ed amaye. 89% Australian lithium mining company be ana edin sa waso ka omu na eba betu amaye e wo Ghana hanam but omu terms na omu ne yakọ na eye 87 against 13 omu edo ebe fa ho ka do ba kwepa ni bia betu mu wi a Ghana ye damu 13% share na omu afa 87% e ma sa adu e ba ye no media no so na enye easy there were a whole lot of demonstration against it. December 2023 Ghana for stage serious demonstration. In fact, and this was stage demonstration against this lithium deal. We just say Ghanaians won't accept 13% agreement on our lithium. Drop the bogus lithium deal. Hashtag drop the bogus lithium deal. Just say, and this for this stage serious demonstrations against this lithium deal. Emma, Professor Gyampo dated 4th December 2023. Actually say reject the childish lithium lease. Professor Gyampo petitions Parliament, slams Minerals Commission because by then a Minerals Commission and called Parliament. Gyampo ga say masa, hey, some childish and crown lease now more about Parliament. Parliament amount to nyansen bi ani. And it is dated 4th December 2023. Emma say an agreement is equal later crown. Is Australian company ga say the masa. Temper any party is 87% that kind is you bet mama 10% royalties. You mama 10. You mama 10. Ain't 10 no. Mobetimi anu mego di ba muntimi a. Ye mon family lithium. Mon copy ni permanent to mama. Because according to them, won't you say lithium no. Mining lithium comes at a high cost. What I say, 80 no. Over 90%, over Ghana 10%. On that 10% no. Sam Jonah fika sai pa ye. Oh, Sam Jonah fika sai. Emma Professor Gyampo ni kwasa be kasai. Ya own interviews. And this funny kasa even in Parliament. Ya hu dede. Banansia mu ene copy wa Ghana Parliament na end for echirem say lithium na ye pese mine no. Lithium na ye discover na ye pese la ye mine na o manti ase no. Now no ye mine. Na ye mine mu so go pay omu nipa. Omu nipa na population wa Ghana for 5%. Ghana ye benya 5%. The mining ebe for 95%. Emma do e buy no. Minority caucus in Parliament. Omuche say 10% royalties for Ghana in the lithium deal was illegal. That 10% na come dey money no. Any illegal. 5% for Ghana is rather what is legal. And we have done just that. Ghana cannot get more. Where the law says we have to get less. And this is coming from majority in Parliament. The majority in Parliament. Oh, which them say that 10% no. Ala Ghana illegal. And right say or say educate to binti yenye 5% ye normal. That same 10% illegal. No is it doesn't make sense. Say you discover your properties. Now will be able to now you 10%. It doesn't make any sense. Emma omuka sai. Even when I started 30% crown, Amara Shakob can kwasi asem.
Ghana ni bien was also lithium deal so. Na nye selfish interest country ben and no we asia. Odi onye lithium odi be mo obi se blabetu. Ene Burkina mu nyesi refinery Burkina. Ghana for ntimi si lithium refinery. And I say obi betu ye japade ntimi ni nchem 50-50, 60-40, 13%. Ya resources nyina obi ne betu kodi close no am ye ketu abi. Adey. Ye to abama mu muntie ya asem. lithium deal no ye Ghana ni bie no so faso bie no ye nya faso bie free side so selfish interest ntina mo yes anya ma we ye nya japade we de komo obi akonu krom ko
sa ofi we ebe ka ajimisa e kan kwasem but eba ye na just say for e kan wasem no na nipa bia obi a etwa Professor Gyampo say asembe no obeka omeka sam yente nka Gyampo omeka say omi na o kire mu say I am not in the right position to comment about the 5% royalties on lithium. I am a political scientist and a lecturer, not a geologist or a mineral resource evaluator. Gyampo, o kan kwasi asem. O kan kwasi asem. Now, when we say you are not a geologist, you are rather a political scientist and a lecturer. But in 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, 2024, what were you? What were you? Now, so when the Prof Gyampo ebeke kano, ana media no so, omone na clash enya asem kuma.
Ghana for na Professor Gyampo de say November eye ne dia oye November compound overseer esanse ni din na ye si November m de ni din na e bia e be si December m na bibia ebekoyi ama no na eba ne lithium deal ya odi na no tum 2024 ene nsem odi to social media ene nsem odi aba bonten this time NPP NDC edeko 5% na amafo bebre na no omo edisend e wono so na mama kan no chro 14 February 2024 chro be 20 times so on the bogus lithium deal you can compromise some chiefs and parade them like a beauty contest to create a semblance of public consultation. But we will work with the youth to resist the cheap sale of our inheritance to foreigners unless you kill us. Where I do a control, that's a February 2024. Na anyway, or the abbey, Nemcrofo Bebe said there be Professor Asenehano, Onye Anes Bisano. I'm not in the right position to comment about the 5% royalties on lithium. I am a political scientist and a lecturer, not a geologist or mineral resource evaluator. Nti hano na omubisa ne say sad time NPP time no na oye geologist ana say na osan mineral resource evaluator ana esan say nsam a wo kan ye a say wo san sesa wan no kofo bebre say omonte ase say adenti na professor oyesa waka asem wo kan wieye wasan ba be sesa wan no nti nkofo bebre say aden omukoka obeka say bia oma hyeda na omo asori ewo so na we say so ade osantro ye biem 6 December 2023 we dey wakakra otro koma we no say dear Mr Sam Jonah enti Mr ma wo dey nyawa so na eti I am told you have praised the lithium deal that gives Ghana about 13% of our lithium proceed and 87% to foreigners. Muntio 13% no or say enye but 5% na yebisa na ne de or say onye evaluator and onye geologist but ye person who say that time when they no or ye geologist and answer no sign mineral resource evaluator mamen to aso but say you are aware of an emerging and more improved transactional model that has been adopted by major lithium producers such as Mexico, Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina. So why you decided to praise the current deal in Ghana baffles me. As you may be aware, the Ghanaian people, including myself, have a lot of respect for you. But you must know that we all know that you earn your name and wealth by working in the interest of international and foreign mining firms, not in the interest of Ghana. You have been around for all this while and seen Ghana earn only 5% of its gold mining as royalties, while 95% of gold mining profit go to foreigners. You have been around to see Ghana earn less than 50% of its oil production, and today, I am told, you are telling us that the 13% deal to Ghana from her lithium is a good deal. Say, I hope this is a lie, but if it's true, then respectfully, you certainly spoke in the interest of the foreigner and not Ghana. I don't know if Adrian wa omonti ase or say, if it's not too late for you to turn around, I can understand, but in that case, please just be quiet and watch us fight for Ghana's interest. Ayon krofo bebre wanwa pa. Ay, ayon krofo bebre wanwa. Or say, we are committed to doing this through advocacy and other legitimate militant means in a manner that will put all those who have aided foreign thieves and the looting of our natural resources to shame. No, say many times, Yao Gyampo, A31 Prabu, PAV Ancestry, Southern and Stronipa House, behind old post office, Latekuapim. I think I have Stronipa, the original Stronipa, because I see a stroke. I say a stroke, pa, because as somehow can the other time now was Abeka Chong, Mr. Sam Jonah, no. Na say see why na we honest no. Because about 5% no also dey onye political analyst. Onye edebempo mineral resource evaluator, onye geologist. Nti na manfo bebre person bisa Professor Gyampo say that time no dey. Now we a geologist and so we mineral resource evaluator. 2023-2024. And as I say, amount for Abisa. And this say Professor Eba no osan ebe chire mu biem. Because I say, won't mean cut 13% in yet, but do 5% so there. Why I say also when you're the mineral resource evaluator. Professor Hodie, near me tia pa die. Aye. Unless it's our baby can be before from because 5% any 13 there. And can say 13% here. And it says Sam Jonah age na 13 there. And then like Sam Jonah mum, no, he has the country at heart. But then you have 5%. Over Becca say you are not a geologist or mineral resource evaluator. And please, Prof, come again. Because November idea. Wow, yeah. You also pa. You also. Yo. Madam I say, ubet me actually wadwin our comment session. No insults.
Semi who be o defend the NDC. Na o di atem. Na all disrespect will be here because of NDC. No kontokwa no otwe aba. Sometimes me should ding, me should ding. Can you believe say majority for after press conference every Eddie Atuja say 10% lithium agreement na samo ebudina pomo ba umiamu akufu adomo time. Omu kwaye say royalties our constitution say Ghana were 5%, but lithium is critical to the green economy. Batteries, electric vehicles are the lithium na ye. Inti si yenye bidia yen secure that Inti instead of 5% no royalties, royalties are got 10%. Instead of carried interest of 10% no, yama carried interest no got 13%. Na yansam per 6% equity participating interest Emma Mefufu. Can you believe say an NDC for a press conference Collins Dowda the chairman say agreement no MPPA na unconstitutional. Enti 10 nanka Ghana yebinya no ehu hie unconstitutional enti no mode ba 5. Na we a chese me dream who am into asema woka say ai one time one catch the bugina po say on amend the constitution no provision no na it's obey expand no okay maba 1 year ni enti se mo pe 10% ne pa de na esi mu kwan se mo amend the secession no e de na esi mu kwan. You have the biggest parliamentarian size now. A DM pan is simukwan say some to 10%. Namu per se a company in Barawi DV4 to 10% to my Ghana pan as royalties. A DM is simukwan say mo be amended that law now mo catch a bujina apostle or mendeno. Na emraten na participating interest in intiminko a carried interest in intiminko 13%. A DM is simukwan. And now mo person mo I don't know. Enye mwendi sifoya na yi mose mining bi Zuma mining die no e ba Ghana for ha Ghana benya more percentage. Na muni musade no. Muni musade no. Enti so obi ama 5, 10%. na wo se yenye wonye wo aba na wo so pay se wo ye ni year wo se 10% na nipa ni negotiate no wa negotiate na mana bro constitution so yenti menye mra emye mu mra ne so enti wo enkrofo benkura nie enkrofo benye wo ye yufu nyi adwuma wo tivie wo ni di obedi o renda so 24-hour economy e say di adwuma bi ensa beba nipa ba ku we anya bi na wa nya data kakra na wato na wo didi atem because of NDC se obi be ye press conference kura enye majority na say yes a press conference we a company no at the time and he did do no enu betimi I say mo ankasa mo mra say 10% adentu na mo de carried interest quarter 10% mo mra say royalties 5% adentu ni yen kwa de do mo de quarter 10%. But obi etimi ya negotiate enti na enokura ni animpa say your only problem was that it was against the constitution. Now maba monya 1 year enti mo antimi ansesa provision in the constitution no am yentimi anfa ade ya nko 10%. Ama mo de ye kwa ye ti say mo per 5% no because mo kwaje 10 na ebeye unconstitutional. Hey, Ghana emobo. We youth now Ghana. Yeah, mobo. Country we na your budget. You see, kakra ye jintimi lose half of our budget. Budgetary last budget. Omo kinkan sem bebebe. And woman be brianko 51 million. Kura mo some be women's development. Mama intimi enyanko. Na 400 million nambenya. Eduma wura 50%. Ene koi. Codes 1 million codes 0% allocation. And project be brand new among sika am finance. Na nyame adum wanya lithium e wo memu. Na obi ni obi akọ negotiate say lithium is strategic enti even though your constitution nim say e 10 me ye beje mo 13 carried interest ye beje mo 6% participating interest ye beje mo 10% royalties. No about say e unconstitutional enti ye ntwam. Ha! And this dear infancy hair, Yami should be a miss Obabe like it, no I share, no I support. Yen can be brave. Why? Because we will be crowd do at them and fun. The common day are no after from afro.
On the lithium agreement, a lot of write-ups are Professor Gyampo. I even don't have the desire. I am a some the professor. Because they were here, Nisuni buying the exhibition of hypocrisy by Prof Gyampo. It was December 2023, and he wrote this on Facebook. This AEC at the Minerals Commission is such an arrogant chap. Where is the PRO of the commission? He can pander to his own incompetence, but he must leave the lithium in the soil if Ghana cannot get 50% of the proceeds. Right for example, no. Lithium agreement, you know, say Ghana ain't 50%. Now yes, and another, and then I buy money for. What was the papa for a bit my Ghana? And he further wrote, Kobio, dear CEO of Minerals Commission, I am told you are worried about my use of strong language. So sorry, but unfortunately I am unable to be diplomatic about the seeming well-intentioned connivance in this whole lithium robbery. Now when I work in no, now do a bino engagement agreement omo ya say ye benya between 10 to 13% to. And another runs for Gyampo. But why will a government agency facilitate a lithium deal that will only be pretty good but won't be in the best interest of the country? Is it ignorance, wickedness, or connivance with a robbery for secret personal gain? This is what he was writing. Right for Gyampo. And then what told? And this is about Bemu. Shippers authority and walk now. Which we call massage chemu. Then massage will nine ukoko moti with tea will call wafu. Sabe will show you na massage kahu. And you are enjoying life. You are living good. To Ghana for how any money any money bill. And he further wrote, can a Ghanaian investor go to Australia to mine lithium and take 87% and give the Australian government 13%? Now there's a 13% now. Nanado are buying, yes, I say, and only the Benya woman. Prof Gyampo say, a nipa bonifosam a binsi da. Investors can be sensible than us. We sat in the same classroom with some of them and beat them in exams. Where and no church ye? And no my Ghana for you must say, na now do there on you Ghana who take. Dr. Baumia, the ministers, CEOs, among you Ghana who crack. Na ono ne John Mahama ne NDC no, and ebe Ghana ye. Fast forward, NDC about power. John Mahama a president. Prof Gyampo an appointee of this government. One more munim nyansa, we are seeing nyansa nyina. One more asofo bi say, woman na Nyankopon yo mama Ghana. Lithium agreement no asa beda omanim. Go and listen to what Colin Zauda. Papa Penyah was DMP. So many years. Anka wo obedwene enjini ma hono. Go and listen to the posture about the lithium argument. Mame Colin argument, no. And then the Colin say 13% and 10% now. Na do Penyah ma my Ghana no. Na illegal. Emretia. Nemom Ghana mra say omunkwade 5%. And then Prof Gyampo will not write again. When in India no, the ultimate yarn say BBC is entering in the corner on the United no. The ultimate in India yarn no. The ultimate in India yarn is a church and misleading Ghana for. Shake Ghana for before against the NPP. And the Dr. Baumia, and now the Donko Kufuado. And you have to Obama NDC. And then the whole majority saying that the 10% royalty agreement for lithium mining with Barari, DV Ghana Limited, under a Kufuado administration did not comply with the Minerals and Mining Amendment Act 2010, which set a 5% standard rate. To okuja to black kwamo kasa na na de nipa boni ni and won kwaje 13% dia mine no munim se mra we wo ho. In any case, at 2010 no one wa by the same NDC government. The same NDC government.
And I'm say 5% don't pay.
85% na now do compare between 10 and 13% dia maye. Most of the suni paboni for be mad. And now a Bible penny for another spokesperson for this Barari TV Ghana Limited. I will defend you. So instead of 5%, instead of 10%, no, young quite 5%.
I did Tia Ghana. Defend you, Tia Ghana.
What's some Ghana for?
I
Ghana for a catcher. What ye? Me say I'm umpire 4 years, no. I bet to say, Yanko Ponka say Israel for conquest, so move 40 days. No more 40 years.
Some will attack.
I bet you 10. Now, Obia began the deal. People thought a MPP, you know, mania, you're Panacea MPP, you're two about Yaumu. And not the end is a by Ayan, Ninsun Sanson, Yanina Kay. Yanina Kay.
Video.
Neke finance minister come and say me fear was you inflation above from ya titini muscle sanitary pad ko ba 15 cities. Now omucho mu ba budget to omu ko sanitary pad amount kwala no ma pege ba ko bo 45 cities.
Times 3 is a four so.
And I saw for you now, I command the phone, Obi Ankasa Biu. And I saw this, and I entered into the realm of the spirit, and the Lord said to me, and I and then Obi Ankasa Biu. Because Obi Ankasa appointment, one man, one is your contract. To task a bit at the amount rent.
Ah, Musika baby.
And my for Ghana for saying I am Quasiafo. Move to the Adjunct Diagro. Now, I'm hoping and praying that Ghana for Edu did the air cosum in the edge. Ade, money ben a Ghana for ye. Say I caught Twaba majority, overwhelming majority. Eddie Amamu. Tigana no Monte Camfa. Mon willing for Mamma, you don't know more bravo. You.
Chile wa bi mama e wo comment section. How you Penyah Work Media. Okay.